Good afternoon, everyone. This is Team Avengers. Today, Xiangcheng, Nancy, Chelsea, and I are about to give a presentation of our project, the Gamera or Game Error. It's a gaming forum. So our team members are here. I'm Jenny, the team leader. We have members Chelsea, Kello, Lucas, Nancy, Robin, Waiter, Xiangcheng, Jack, and Evie. Jack and Evie are both UI designers and developers as well. We also created the LinkedIn profile for our project, the organization called Avengers. Please feel free to follow. So our presentation today will cover our project demo, front-end tech stack, back-end tech stack, project management, which are our BA part, and our DevOps team. So just go to our website. Yeah, so here is our homepage. Since we are a gaming forum, we decided to use a very dark color and a bright color to sort of a combination to impress our first user. So here we use a dark gray and our bright green color. Here's the carousel showing our very popular articles. And we also have the trending news here. There are many different news cards, which are sorted by decent comment number. And also the popular review articles here in 7 days are sorted by decent comment number as well. The most liked list here presents all the articles are sorted by decent like number. So this is our game warehouse page. These are all the games we have at the moment. We develop a sort of animation of each game card. So here we have game title, game score, platform, and game developers. The platform, we have PC, Xbox, PlayStation. Those platforms will be a filter for our articles. I will discuss that later. We also have search functions. So just simply typing the article, the keywords for article title and even article content. For example, here are type Star Wars. We got Star Wars. Let's go to the first article here. So this is the article viewing page, which includes the related game, and we can like the article. Since we are still the visitor, we have to log in to leave some comment. And this is our news page, which provides more detailed information about all our new game news articles. So latest news here, those different platforms will be each filter for all the articles. So for example, I'll click Xbox. I've got 2 articles for our all Xbox game news. We sort it by the latest, so we'll sort it by the created time. This is all the functions for our visitors. Now I'm going to log in as a news review editor. Log in. So the login button will be post button. As a review editor, I can post any game reviews. I can add a related game. For example, I'll just choose the Warlong and add a cover image. I just got some image like this. For example, Warlong review 1. And I can choose text or not. Just simply, no. This is a review. We also use the ChatGPT help us to send articles with randomly and also game-related contents. So publish here. So the article was just showed. I can also post by article by ChatGPT editor. Just give a second. I think the article just already sent. Yes, so we already got a volume review one here. Next, let's welcome Xiangchen to introduce the rest of our website.
Okay, thanks, Jenny. Hello, everyone. My name is Xiangchen, and next, I will introduce the review more settings feature of our project. First, let's take a look at the review page. As you can see, at top of this page, it has popular reviews, and it has several articles here. And all of these articles ordered by the comment number. If this article gets the high comments number, it will at the top of this article list. And if you click it, it will go to the article details page. It has article title, author, updated time. And in the middle, it is the article content. And at the bottom, also, you can put some interesting comment here. For example, if you think this review is nice, you can type something here and click send. And then your review will be here. Now let's go back to the review page. Scroll down here. It seems like familiar with news page. It also has a filter bar here, so you can filter your article according to the game platform. And right here, it has a little bit different from news page because if you want to post a review article, you need to find a game on it. So and then you can sort it by according to the game genre. For example, action, adventure, and card. And also you can sort it by the post time, by list, by the, for example, if you sort it by the all list. So for this article, it seems like post 3 years ago. And then, okay, yeah. Now let's take a look at the navigate bar. We have more button here. If you click it, it will show some information about our website, about us, support, terms, and privacy. So if you click, for example, if you click terms, it will go to terms page. And then if you click a specific term, it will the page will navigate to this part. And also with this mouse hover effect. In the setting page, you can change your name and password here. Frequently change your password is a good thing for your account security. Now let's go back to the slides. Now I will introduce the front end tech stack that we have used in this project. In our project, we have used the React, TypeScript, styled components, EastLint, Prettier, and Axios. React allowed us to build a complex and dynamic user interface. At the same time, React component-based development improves code reusability and maintainability, while TypeScript issues code quality and error-free development. Styled components makes styling components easier and improve code maintainability. EastLint and Prettier ensure code quality and consistency. Finally, Axios make it easier to make HTTP requests and handle API responses. It is worth mention that in this project, we implemented the UI by ourselves without using other UI library, which is convenient for later maintenance and also makes the UI interface more suitable for our design requirements. Thanks. Now, welcome to Nancy for next part.
Thanks, Changcheng. I will now take over explaining the tech stack used by our backend. In our backend, there are a few key spots that stand out. First, in the user and role management section, we use Spring Security, JSON Web Token, and AWS email verification. Jenny and Changcheng had already demonstrated the login process and the post article process, so I will just make a quick, simple explanation of techniques behind it. As the image described it, the authentication process checks the personal credential to ensure successful login. In other words, the login will fail when the provided user login credential does not match the database. Authorization ensures whether the currently logged in user has the authority to perform an action. For example, a general user would not be able to post an article since that is exclusive to editor user. The authorization also restricts that only the author of the article can update or delete the article, and not all users with editor permissions can edit the article. We implement Spring Security and JWT as a combination to achieve the authentication and authorization. During the sign-up process, after a user successfully creates a new account, the user will receive a verification email hosted by AWS email service. Only after the user clicks the verification link, the account could be activated. Now let's have a look at our database. Our database uses PostgreSQL, Hibernate for mapping, and Flyway for migration. Xiaochen, please turn to last page. For Elasticsearch, we implement the function to conduct full text search and log text with sync data to Elasticsearch from our database. We also implement RabbitMQ, which is a message queue service in email advocation and the ChatGPT article creation. That's all of the highlights in our backend. Now I will pass to Chelsea to explain our product.
Thanks, Nancy. Hey everyone, I'm Chelsea, the business analyst of the Avengers. I would like to introduce how we as a team using Jira to effectively manage our work through the 3 months. In our team, agile development runs through the entire process. By utilizing Jira, we have been able to streamline our workflow and enhance communication among team members. First, we communicate project needs and settle details among team members, which ensures that everyone is aligned and understands the project requirements. By having all the information in one place, we minimize misunderstandings and improve efficiency. And then we write and assign cards in Jira to our developers, which allows us to keep track of our progress and collaborate more effectively. And finally, also most important, we conduct daily stand-up meetings to review the cards one by one on Jira at 10 p.m. every single day. This allows us to stay up to date on each other's progress and prioritize our tasks. And let's pass to our DevOps.
We cannot hear you.
Okay, please wait a moment. We'll fix it.
Sorry.
Changcheng, can you I think you need to share screen. You need to share the audio as well.
Jenny is sharing the screen.
Oh, Jenny, yeah, you need to share the voice as well when you share the screen. Maybe stop sharing and then start sharing again and then share the voice.
Terraform is used to provide infrastructure as code functionality. In this project, Terraform is utilized in a modular manner.
你好，现在是看不到任何视频和听到声音了。
Sorry, Xiangcheng, could you please share? Something wrong with the audio.
Okay, I will try. Sorry. I'll play it. Is it okay now?
Still no audio? No.
Version control capabilities of the project infrastructure. Terraform is used to provide infrastructure as code functionality. In this project, Terraform is utilized in a modular manner. The project is divided into 4 applications, representing the front end and back end in different environments. Since many infrastructures are similar, they are split into modules and called within their respective applications, which improves the reusability of the code. Each module or application is composed of main.tf, variables.tf, and outputs.tf, which makes the variable transfer in the project more flexible. In addition, project variables are passed through a TFVARS file, making changes to project parameters more flexible. These files are also stored in S3 buckets with their respective prefixes, and they will be downloaded as needs. And that's all about infrastructure as code. Next page, please. To ensure the repeatability and version control next,